Click on the link below to get price. The 1000W folding electric bike is an impressive addition to the world of electric bicycles, combining power, portability, and practicality into one sleek package. With a robust 1000W motor, this bike can reach speeds of over 30 miles per hour, making it an excellent choice for both commuting and leisure riding. The thrill of acceleration is palpable, as the bike offers seamless transitions from a standstill, showcasing its impressive torque. One of the standout features of this e-bike is its 48V 20AH removable battery. This large capacity ensures that riders can cover significant distances on a single charge, typically around 40 to 50 miles, depending on the riding conditions and mode used. The convenience of being able to remove the battery for charging is a major plus, allowing for easy storage and protection against theft when you're not using the bike. The folding capability is another highlight. This bike easily collapses, making it perfect for those with limited storage space or for commuters who need to take their bike on public transport. Once folded, it remains compact and manageable, weighing in at a reasonable level that does not feel cumbersome to carry. The build quality is commendable, featuring a sturdy frame designed to withstand daily use. The ride is smooth, thanks to the front suspension, which absorbs bumps and provides comfort on uneven terrain. The bike is equipped with disc brakes, ensuring reliable stopping power, a critical feature for safety when traveling at higher speeds. While the bike is loaded with features, it isn't without minor drawbacks. The weight may be a concern for some, especially when folded, and the assembly process can be slightly tedious. However, these issues are minor compared to the overall performance and versatility this bike offers. In conclusion, the 1000W folding electric bike is a powerful and convenient choice for anyone looking to experience the freedom of electric cycling. Whether for daily commuting or weekend adventures, it's sure to impress with its speed, range, and portability.